Hello Tech Trends friends. As you know, I made a review for the Google Pixel 6a and for me it was the best smartphone in this price range, especially when it comes to camera quality. I had only 2 points of criticism. First was the missing face unlock and second was the 60Hz display. Today we have the Google Pixel 7a here and we will not make a review today, but we will make an unboxing video and let's have first impression of the Google Pixel 7a. Let's start. Everything fresh here. Okay. Let's look what is in the box. First, of course, the smartphone. We will start in a few seconds. Let's look what is else in the box. USB Type-C cable and an adapter. SIM card later. Okay, and of course a lot of stuff to read, I think. Yes, manual. Okay, for people who like to read. Let's look on the Google Pixel 7a. In C is the blue color of Google Pixel 7a, and I really love the design of this smartphone. We have aluminum as you can see, the buttons, louder volume button, power button, I think this looks like glass, but I think it's plastic, as you can hear. And on the Google Pixel 6a it was a big problem of fingerprints in the backside. I think this will be similar, as you can see, but it looks very nice. I love the camera design of the Google Pixel, and this time it looks fantastic again. We have 2 lenses. Okay, let's start the Pixel 7a. You will have 3 years software updates, I think, and 5 years security updates. I'm a little bit disappointed about this. I think a company like Google can give us more updates than 3 years, I think, but okay, it is 5 years security updates is not bad. Skip. Okay, let's set up our fingerprint. In the Google Pixel 6a the fingerprint sensor was not the best. I think this feels not good again, but this time we will have face unlock, so I like it more, but this is personal. Face unlock. Yes. This was a big point of criticism for me, but this time it looks fine. Google Apps and setup is finished, as you can see. I heard that the 90Hz display is not activated, and I heard also that the battery life of this smartphone is not very good. For this I think it is deactivated. Let's have a look. Smooth display here. Okay. Now it's activated, I think. And yes, the battery life, we will look at the review how it is, but as I heard from first reviews, the battery life should not be the best for this smartphone. Okay, everything looks smooth and fine for the first, but we will see in the review. Like and subscribe the video. Until the next video, have a good time.